Hi and welcome to Al's Record Room. I'd like to show you one of my 45s that's in my record collection from the 70s. The Ted Mulry Gang, Jump in My Car, Albert Productions, 1975, genre rock, style pop rock, hard rock, glam. The Ted Mulry Gang is an Australian band from the 70s that's in Al's record collection in the 70s part. Jump in My Car, the Ted Mulry Gang, 1975. Now the other side of this 45, of course, is I'm on Fire. Ted Mulry Gang. Albert Productions label, 1975. Now I'll show you the 45 itself, starting with Jump in My Car. Jump in My Car, the Ted Mulry Gang. It's another record, of course, that's in my record collection. Now here's the other side, I'm on Fire. The Ted Mulry Gang, Albert Productions label, 1975. Another record, of course, it's in the 70s part of my record collection, by the Ted Mulry Gang, which of course is Ted Mulry. And of course there's the other side, of course, again, Jump in My Car, by the Ted Mulry Band. Now I must say thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Al's Record Room, and of course this 45 is by the Ted Mulry Gang, Jump in My Car, on the Albert Productions label from 1975, genre rock, style pop rock, hard rock, glam. The Ted Mulry Gang is an Australian band from Australia. Now, this video's been made by me, Al, and of course that's Al's Record Room, and it's thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Al's Record Room. Over and out and bye from Al's Record Room.